You want to learn game development? Let's go ahead. So here we're making a 3D tractor using very basic 3D shapes, only cubes and cylinders. I select this cube and make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 copies by pressing Ctrl D to duplicate these boxes. Then I click on Game Object 3D Cylinder and make 7 copies of these cylinders. And I'm not going to tell you the steps. You can watch this quick video to see how I arrange these objects to make a tractor. And drop me a picture of that to show how exactly that looks like. This video went too fast. We have a detailed tutorial about this on YouTube, link in the first comment. And we have a whole course on game development on YouTube, link in the second comment. Go check it out.